All right, this is in your Marvelous Monday packet. It might be in the blue supplemental folder. You're going to pull the bags. Oh, do you think these would be good decorations for a gingerbread man? I think they would be. We have some dot patterns on our paper. We're going to look first at the side with the 6, the 7, and the 8. We're going to track that numeral 6. So I want you to take your pencil. Do make sure you're holding that pencil the right way. Thumbkin on pointer and thumbkin side by side. They rest on tall man, and 2 lazy men go along for the ride. Let's track 6. Start at the top, and you're going to curve around, back up, and stop. Good job. All right, what comes after 6? 7. Let's track that 7. Start at the top. You're going to slide to the right and slant down. Good job. All right, and let's track that 8. So you're going to start at the top. You're going to circle forward and circle backwards and come back up and close the gate. Good. You can put that pencil down for a minute because we're going to build some dot patterns. We're going to take these decorations for a gingerbread man. You can choose whichever you want. There are M&Ms in one bag and Skittles in the other bag. I'm going to start with the M&Ms. You can start with whichever you want. We're going to build the dot pattern for 6. How many dots on the top? 3. So I'm going to take 3 dots out of my bag, and I'm going to build that first dot right there, the top of my number 6 dot pattern, and then I'm going to build the bottom of my number 6 dot pattern. How much is 6? Yep, 6 is 1 more than 5, isn't it? We can also say 3 plus 3 equals 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. All right. Now, how much is 7? Yep, 7 is 1 more than 6. So remember when we make that dot pattern for 7, we just add 1 dot to the middle. I think I'm going to use my M&Ms again here. I might have enough. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I did. I had enough. Good. Now I'm going to use my Skittles to make my number 8 dot pattern. 8. 8 is 1 more than 7. That's right. 8 is 1 more than 7. So I'm going to build my dot pattern for 8. I'm going to put 4 in the top row and 4 in the bottom row, because we can also say 4 plus 4 equals 8. I have enough that I can do 4 of the same color on the top and 4 of the same color on the bottom. Good. And I just built my dot pattern for 8. Fantastic. All right, I'm going to clear. Oh, don't eat those yet. Did you sneak a candy? Don't eat them yet. I'm going to put these back in my bag because I got to turn my paper over and build some more dot patterns. Oh, we have 2 more dot patterns to build, and you need all your candies to build these dot patterns. What numeral is that? Yeah, that's 9. 9, 9, looking fine. 9 stands up tall and proud on his feet. Let's track that 9. So we're going to start at the top. We're going to circle back around. And then we're going to pull straight down. Good. And then let's make 10. Remember, 10 is a 1 and a 0. Good. Let's make that 1. Start at the top. Pull straight down. And then let's make that 0. Start at the top. We're going to circle back all the way around. Good, there's 10. All right, let's build the dot pattern for 9. I'm going to use my my M&Ms. I'm going to use my M&Ms to build that dot pattern for 9. I have, how much is 9? It's 1 more than 8. 9 is 1 more than 8. I'm actually going to use Skittles and M&Ms for my number 9. Because I want 3 colors that are the same in the top row. You don't have to build yours this way. It's just how I want to do mine. And I want 3 colors that are the same in the second row. And I want 3 colors that are the same in the third row. There's my dot pattern for 9. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. All right, we have 1 dot pattern left. This is the number 10 dot pattern. The dot pattern for 10 is so cool because, look at this, you guys. You have a number 5 dot pattern, and then you have another number 5 dot pattern. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 is also 1 more than 9. Let's build our dot pattern for 5. Let's see. Oh, I might have, oh, I do. I have enough to make at least 1 5 all one color. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to make my first number 5 dot pattern green. I do not know what colors you have in your bags, but I have enough green to make 1 dot pattern. And then I'm going to make my second dot pattern using red and orange. That's what I'm going to use. I'm going to make my second dot pattern with red and orange. There we go. All right, there's my dot pattern for 10 and my dot pattern for 9. Hey, how did you do with building your dot patterns? Now that we're all done, unless you have some gingerbread men around your house that you need to decorate, then you can eat your candies, if it's okay with Mom and Dad. Good job, you guys.